This is AUTEL EVO II Pro, and today I'll show how you can enable, disable, and adjust the aircraft set ascent speed on this drone. So at the start, launch the AUTEL Explorer app and enter the camera feed. Now at the top right corner of the display, press the gear icon to launch settings, then select the flight control category and scroll down. Look for the aircraft ascent speed, and now you can switch it on or off just like that. And once enabled, you can adjust its value by sliding the circle to be anywhere between 7.2 km per hour and 18. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.